Hello again, super learners! Today we learn another type of pronouns. These are called possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. They tell us who something belongs to. Let's begin. This is my pencil. Instead of saying my pencil again, we say, this pencil is mine. Mine means it belongs to me. This is your bag. This bag is yours. Yours means it belongs to you. This is Anna's doll. The doll is hers. Hers means it belongs to a girl. This is Tom's hat. The hat is his. His means it belongs to a boy. This is our classroom. This classroom is ours. Ours means it belongs to us. Those are the children's toys. The toys are theirs. Theirs means it belongs to them. Wonderful work today. Now you know subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns. You are becoming grammar stars. See you in the next lesson.